Your body lotion is not working, your body lotion is not working. You will carry your body oil, you now pour it inside your body lotion. Body oil and body lotion doesn't. Why will you carry oil? Oil cannot dissolve inside lotion now. This is thicker than this. So instead of you to carry your oil and pour inside your body lotion, let me tell you how what you can put in your body lotion that will make your body lotion work better, work faster. Body lotion is not working because of you are mixing oil inside your body cream, thereby even making the cream less active because oil and the lotion cannot mix. It cannot mix because this is thicker and this is a bit lighter. If you want to mix something into your lotion, you go for something that can be compatible with the lotion. You go for something that is even less weight, that is a denser weight than this, which is a serum. If you want to mix something into your body lotion or your body lotion is not working, you add a serum. Any serum. Now, like this is Snapchat. This has a serum. So serum is lightweight. There are different serums you can put and you can use to mix on your body lotion. There's glutathione serum. There can be a vitamin C serum. Majorly, many people even mix vitamin C serum in their body lotion. You get a vitamin C serum and pour it in your body lotion. It will help, it will activate, make it even work better. Not for you to take a body oil and mix it in it. And I've corrected us a lot of times. The proper way in which you can apply your body lotion and your oil is that your body lotion comes in first, then you apply your oil on top. Your body lotion comes in first, then you apply your body oil on top, not your oil first, or not you mix them together. It won't work. It will not work. And if you want to use only oil, use just oil in peace. Use just the oil in peace and you'll be fine. Don't mix them together inside the bottle. To not work. I'm going to be listing out some serums that you can add to your body lotion. You can add a vitamin C serum. You can add a glutathione serum. That's why you see most people mixing skin-free milk in their lotion, which can be very harsh. But you can mix concentrate. Some people they mix skin-free milk either in their body lotion or in their body wash. So some people they mix this pigmento. That is what you can be mixing. Serums, they are all serums, they are all lightening serums. If you want to go on a safe side, just use that will not cause you stretch mark or green vein. All those concentrates, most of them are very harsh. They're very harsh. And truthfully, to be told, I will not do that for my skin. So if I want to advise you on what to mix on your skin so that your skin can be brighter, lighter, I would go for vitamin C's. I'll go for alpha arbutin serums, you know. And if at all, okay, I want to even use those lightning, I will do it in moderation, just very small of all those strong concentrates. Not that you pour half of it inside this one, or you pour half of it inside your body cream. That is why many people tell you that they're using Nivea, but there's something mixed into the Nivea. It could be a vitamin C serum, it could be a concentrate, it could even be a toner. It could be a toner because now, like this toner, this is the Skin Success Anti Dark Spot Toner, and it contains beta hydroxyl. So this is like a strong lightening agent. Some people can even mix glycolic acid. Some people can even mix that glycolic acid, your glycolic acid into their body cream because your body is stubborn. Your skin is stubborn. It's very harsh. Do you understand? So you need to be careful whatever you're mixing on your skin. But I would advise you go in lightly. You can use this. You can use lactic acid serum. You can use vitamin C. You can use alpha arbutin. Those are safe ways you can lighten your skin and get a good result. Another thing you can also do is make sure you're exfoliating your skin with sugar scrub. Make sure you're exfoliating your skin. See these two? Sugar scrub. So people put this in their body lotion, but I would advise you to put this in your body wash instead. So I have a video of how you can use a body wash and your skin will be more whiter than before. People will be asking you, what are you using in your skin? But it's just a whitening body wash. I would always pick a whitening body wash and a brightening body lotion. It is safer and it's more effective. If I put this in my body wash, guys, and I'm using it for 3-4 times a week, there's not going to be effect like green vein, white spots, all those things that comes with bleaching your skin because it is in my body wash. But if I put half of this in my body lotion, and my skin is sensitive, I might get some reaction. But if your skin is strong and your skin can handle this skin free milk, just pour very small. And you don't pour everything in the whole bottle. Don't pour all this in the whole bottle. You have to take a bit of your cream, pour it inside a cup, then pour this in and be taking it small. Be monitoring your skin. Listen to your skin. Your skin can talk. Your skin will give you some signs. If your skin gives you some signs, you know that it is too harsh. I need to discontinue. I need to dissolve it more. Do you understand? Listen to your skin while using all this whitening product. Many skin complaints after using whitening product. Oh, after using this whitening product, oh, I had green veins, or I had stretch marks, because you don't listen to your skin, and you are whitening your skin without your head. All these products, all these concentrates whitening, whenever you are using it, now teach yourself how to use your products. Teach yourself how to use your products. Use it with your head. Let your eyes be work. In fact, you know when your skin is cracking. You know when your skin is doing okay. Like me, I dey like customer way sharp. I can tell you, okay, use this 3 times a week. You will go home, you see that you use it 3 times this week, but you notice that you are getting white so fast, or you notice that your green vein is not too much. You can now reduce it to once a week. Once a week, you will not notice that effect. You will not notice that side effect. You have learned your skin by yourself. So you need to know how to teach yourself how to use your products. The earlier you teach yourself how to use your products, the better all those side effects reduce. Especially you that want to whiten your skin, you want to lighten your skin. You understand? You need to teach yourself how to use your products. Now, this is another one. People will have good reviews, people will have bad reviews of these products, big and do. But people that have good reviews, because they listen to their skin, they know how to use it. People that have bad reviews, they don't know how to use it. And like I always say, these are for people that have strong skin, for more skin. Nothing is working on my skin. You can pour this on your lotion, on any kind of a lotion. And then there are other lotions you can try. You can try a more effective lightening lotion. There's Lumine Carrot, there is Active Cover, there is Deep Whitening, there is a lot of lightening lotions. The stronger you want it, easy glow. You check your skin. But if your skin is like me, I can't use all those lightening lotions. People come and ask me, I say I'm not using all those things. They never believe me. See how my skin is very fragile. I will not go and carry lightening lotion and put up my skin. If you see me, you'll be seeing green vein from my. In fact, so show. You be seeing my neck green vein. That's people that bleach their skin. Your skin is tired, you are still bleaching that. Listen to your skin. You bleach and bleach and bleach and bleach your skin. Sometimes you stay off all the products. Just apply body repairing oil. Apply body repairing oil. Just apply repairing oils. Some people will bleach and bleach. Your neck will be green. Are you the only person that is fair in this world? I'm also light skin. My neck is not that. Is not. I don't have those green veins like popping out from my skin, because your skin is tired. Your skin is, what would I use for green veins? What would I use for dots? What would I use for all the skin? You see those white dots? White dots that are caused on the skin are divided into 3 classes. There is one caused by cream. There is one caused by sun exposure, and there's one caused by aging. And that aging one is above from 40 and above. If not from 40 or 45 and above, you know that those things is caused by the creams you apply. Stop applying those creams. I will talk about white dots and how you can clear them. I'm here for you. But please, prevention is better than cure, okay? Prevention is better than cure. That white dot you have on your skin, wetin cause am? Is it aging, or is it cream, or is it sun exposure? Those are the 3 things that makes those white dots pop out on your skin, my dear. Nothing else. Green vein sef get you get too much lightening product, your skin is tired. This skin is a human being. Listen to it. You will apply and apply and apply. You will not know, your skin cells keep on dying and dying and dying. Have mercy on your skin. Have mercy on that skin. Some people, they use whitening and brightening ingredient at the same time. They maintain their skin. Some people, they can use, this will be their body lotion, or Olay, or Medix, all those grinding, all those safe whitening lotions. But then they might have one whitening, but that one is like sometimes once in a week or once in 2 weeks, they go and touch it and leave it. Or some people, they now use a whitening soap to maintain their skin. Do you understand? But you will use it morning, afternoon, night, no tutu, nehi, every time, and you expect your skin to not break down. After, I'll be looking for how to repair the skin. I will repair it though. Something that has been broken can never return the same way. So why not try to avoid it for now? Why not try to avoid it for now? Just use skin repairs or use. It is well. I love you guys so much. Please subscribe. Please subscribe to my page. Thank you for supporting me. I'm going to try my best to give all remedies on my YouTube page. I'm going to try my best to drop videos, at least 2 videos a week. And by the grace of God, we are going to tackle all these things together. And if you have any experiences, share with us. Let me know in the comment section. If you want to know anything that has helped you, please tell us in the comment section. I don't know it all. I'm also learning. Thank you guys.